again. Well, the week ahead couldn't be more different than what we saw last week. Last week we had high pressure with us, giving that settled but rather cold and dull weather. This week a real change, low pressure in charge, bringing those weather fronts in off the Atlantic and also bringing mild air in off the Atlantic. We lose those blues, those daytime temperatures below freezing, up into Scandinavia and across into the eastern side of Europe, and that mild air pushes in from the west. So across the western side of the country we could see temperatures in double figures. Now at the moment there is a weak weather front moving across the British Isles. It's giving some outbreaks of rain. Dull and cloudy still down in the southeast, but the real change is out in the Atlantic, this thicker area of cloud. That's a new area of low pressure, bringing with it the wind and the rain. Well, those two weather fronts drift away eastwards through the course of the afternoon, and that new one follows in behind, especially overnight tonight. So we still have some cloud down that eastern side of the country. That's thick enough to give some light rain or drizzle, and a lot of mist and low cloud, which is going to be rather slow to clear down in the far southeast. Now following in behind that, clearer skies means some sunshine for the rest of the afternoon, but up into Northern Ireland and western Scotland a lot of showers to come. Windy up here, so here we're not going to see that much in the way of frost. Further south a low of -4, but probably frost-free over the next few nights as these weather fronts bring that mild air in off the Atlantic. Through Tuesday and Wednesday, one area of low pressure brushes through the central part of northern England, and then a new one follows in behind through Thursday and Friday. So rather unsettled, rather windy, and quite a bit of rain we can expect as well. Well, let's look at the detailed forecast over the next few days. Down in the southeast, I think we're going to see a good deal of sunshine to start the day on Monday, but that windy and wet weather is moving in from the west and north, giving rain across Northern Ireland. Some sleet and snow over the highlands of Scotland, windy here as well, followed by showers, and some of those showers could be rather heavy and thundery in places. And typical temperatures around 10 or 11 degrees up in northwest England, down in towards the west country, only 5 degrees up in the highlands of Scotland, and some of those showers could be rather wintry. Looking at Wednesday's forecast, well, still some bright weather down in the far southeast, and it'll probably stay dry here as well, but more showers being blown along by a fairly fresh westerly breeze. Some of those showers linking together to give some rather more persistent rain up towards the Western Isles and across the far north of Scotland. This is Thursday's forecast. Those isobars very tightly packed, so more wind expected, especially up to the north and west. Some brighter weather down in the southeast, and maybe some mist and fog first thing in the morning here. As we move through Friday, we're going to see yet more rain move in from the west, followed in by showers, still rather windy, and temperatures 8 or 9 degrees, so quite warm. That's the forecast.